Hey guys, welcome back to Purpose Cake channel. Well, today guys, I'm just doing a little video and I'm taking you along with me. I am going to BSW Beauty Hair Beauty. They sell a lot of beauty products for your hair and your skin, and a lot of like ear stuff for your ear, stuff for your ear, not ear, stuff for your ear. So come along with me while I journey to BSW here in Canada. I'm gonna look some hair guys or a wig to put in my hair as a protective hairstyle. Okay guys, so let's journey together. Sit back and enjoy this little video. It is raining and it is snowing, but nevertheless, we're still gonna go and get something for our ear, our ear. I don't know why I keep saying ear. So see, we're at BSW Beauty. So let's enter. See, they have hot irons, flat irons for your hair. Well, my hair is now natural, so I don't do much of the flat irons anymore. Now and then I will. They have ceramic hair dryer, and here they have some wigs. Guys, I'm really into the curly wigs, but I'm not like a wig person. I bought 2 wigs the other day, and all now I haven't put on one. But for the curly wigs, I like the curly wigs for me. Yes, but I am not great at it to install it, so maybe that's why I'm not I'm not really good at hair like that. Like some persons, they're good at hair. I used to have tall processed hair, but I haven't processed my hair in a couple of years now. So here they have some beautiful wigs, very beautiful. Most of them I would wear, but not like the X-rated colors. Persons wear them and it fit them, but for me, I am definitely not a person of those color wigs. But to each his own, and I know that persons wear them and they look very gorgeous in them, but not for me. I'm more like a simplicity person. I'm more simple. I'm I don't really go for the too much of a colored ear. I bought one, it's more like a burnt orange or something like that, but I have not yet wear it, and I bought another color, not too deep, but these are some awesome and beautiful wigs. You can go check them out. This is not a promoted video, guys. I must say it's not a promoted video, but because I was there looking some braids for my hair, and I was also looking on the wig, so I say, why not just take a clip on them? So guys, I hope you did enjoy this little clip, this little video of my braid, and I will let you see my hair when I do it up. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm so excited. This is first I'm gonna actually put braid in my hair by myself, so whenever I do that hair, I definitely have you posted on it, and you're gonna tell me how your girl Purpose Kate did. Anyways guys, I appreciate you all. I thank you for sticking and staying. Keep safe, stay blessed. I love you all. Your presence are appreciated. Continue to support me. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Purpose K channel. And if you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Like, comment, share. Like, comment, share. And watch the ads whenever ads come up on my video. I would really appreciate you doing that for me. So show me some love by continuing to support me, to like, to comment, and to share, because sharing is caring. See your girl Purpose K there walking around, looking on here. Look at her. Look at her. Guys, this is the one I choose. So I'm going to let you see it as soon as I install it in my hair. So, one love, keep safe, stay blessed. Bye. Ooh. Ooh. Yes. Look at ice. Ooh. Look at ice, guys. I'm running in the road. I can hardly go. Look. Look. What am I to do? Oh, tumble down. Oh my God. Guys, it's more than I even imagine. Look at this big lump. Ice, ice, ice. It's a Iceland. Look there. Oh my God. What am I to do? What time am I reaching work this morning? Wonder if I can take the chance and walk in the road. Because I'm gonna reach now. Look here. Look when the people them carry. Guys, look. Cover under ice. Ice, ice, ice. There, guys. Ice. All you can see is ice. I'm walking in the middle of the road, cause I ain't gonna reach work if I walk on the sidewalk. I just trust God and take a chance walking on the road, guys. Look there. Wow. Oh my God. Pure ice. Let's walk on the road. There, guys. Ice. Oh my God. When I look at my eyes, for as far as I can see, our ice pile up all over the place. Shit. Ah. Look there. Ice, guys. We can't walk in the road. No one will reach out this time, because that's the danger. Look, ice. That is all ice. See? Ice, ice, ice. See? Pure ice. There, guys. Ice, ice, ice. Ice. Oh my God. Look there. Ice, guys.
All you can see is ice. See the busy road there now? See? So me can't walk in the road. I have to go up on the sidewalk. See there's something pushing out. Listen now. Snow plow. That's the snow. Oh my god. Look. Ice cover. See how this thing is a person. Across the road. I ain't taking the chance. Look. Bare ice. As tall almost cover me, I can't hardly stand on the other side of the road there. Hey. Walking time. Guys. Look. Look how far my foot there. Look. Look how far my legs is in the snow. All covered. Whoa. Oh my god. Ah. I have to be walking to work in this snow. Guys, it's never easy. But I'm trusting in the Lord. I'm going. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mighty God. Guys. Oh, it's terrible. It's terrible, guys. Oh my god. Oh, I almost fall. Oh my god. Carry me safe, dear Lord. Carry me safe. Take me safely, dear Lord. Guys, it's dread. It's terrible.